How to log into Disney Plus account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you log in or sign into your Disney Plus account. So let's get started. First, open the Disney app, or you can as usual open it on your browser. Simply open any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Disney Plus. After that, simply tap on the official URL of Disney Plus like disneyplus.com. After you tap on that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. From here, if it is available for your region, simply tap on sign in. After you tap on that, a sign in page will be appear. From there, you'll have to just enter the email or your username from where your account is. After that, you'll have to just provide your password. After you confirm with your account and password, tap on sign in. After that, you'll be able to log back or sign into your Disney Plus account. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.